Hello trader, this is an updated analysis on XAUUSD. We can see that after this head and shoulder formation, the market finally managed to break below from that head and shoulder from the lower time frame perspective. And as the market managed to break below, we can expect XAUUSD potentially to trend in that direction to create a new lower low. So first, let's quickly look at bigger picture to see what's happening. And as this is the just beginning of the week, we can see that from the monthly the market open with a gap, and with that gap open from the support level, we have seen significant bounce, as previous monthly candle has a very long week here, which is a very long week, and the market tested the almost the upper shadow of this monthly long week candle, and the bulls not being able to break that high, that means that we might see deeper pullback or even retest of this monthly support to gain momentum for another bounce on the monthly. So lower time frame we could see bearish price action in that area. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the weekly, previous week is the candle is an inside bar, a green candle on almost a long week on both sides, which is a sign that the market might remain in a sideway in this weekly high and low. So as you can see, this week the market opened with a gap, tested the upper shadow of the weekly candle, and the price slowly breaking below. Therefore, we could see that from the weekly perspective, the market might respect this weekly low and also the weekly high. As the price tested the upper shadow, we might see now potentially a drop here on the lower time frame to retest the weekly lower shadow in this instrument. Now dropping down to the daily chart, previous daily candle, which is NFP candle, which is a very important candle as it has a volume in it, and we can see the market tested this upper shadow of this daily candle where there is a high liquidity grab. The market tested the high, grabbed the liquidity, and form a long wick doji from the daily after retesting this level. And also there is a daily doji here as well from the daily perspective, as the market is retesting those resistance line. We could see that from the daily perspective, as the market opened with a gap today as well, the price may continue to drop here to that daily support level. So therefore, from the daily, we can expect downtrending market structure in this instrument. Now dropping down to the 1 hour chart, how we can see that the price, there was a bounce here from the 1 hour, which is also pure liquidity grab, followed by a strong bearish engulfer. Now this 1 hour candlestick pattern is important. As you can see, the market tested the high, crossed that high, and also crossed that low, closed as a long bearish engulfer, followed by another bearish candle. The market is currently on the support level. We can see after this bouncing back to the upside, any pullback to the upside can give us potential another selling opportunity in this market. So therefore, if we look at the 4 hour here, we can see also the 4 hour candle closed, and the market is potentially now moving up for a deeper pullback. So dropping down to again to daily chart here to see how the price is reorganizing. This is a liquidity zone on the daily, and if we look at the lower time frame, this is the zone that we'll be looking to see on the lower time frame to find potential entry. This is the 15-minute stop here, a complete breakdown, moving up for a pullback. Once we see potential price action confirmation on this lower time frame on XAUUSD, in that area we'll be looking for potential selling opportunity. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.